Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure you have administrator rights, because network reset changes adapters and drivers. Once done, jot down your IP and DNS if you use static addresses so you can restore them. Make sure to close active transfers and unplug extra network hardware to avoid interruptions. Now open Start, go to Settings, and select Network and Internet. This gets you directly to the controls we need. You're taking these steps to avoid losing custom configuration unintentionally. You will now perform the reset. In Network and Internet, choose Advanced Network Settings, then tap Network Reset. This consolidates adapter repair and driver reinstallation in one action. Once there, review which adapters and VPN clients will be removed so you know what to reinstall later. When you click Reset and Confirm, Windows schedules a restart. Make sure you've saved work. The reset reinstalls drivers and clears corrupted settings, which is why connectivity often returns after this process. After the reboot, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or wired network and re-enter credentials. Reinstall VPN clients and reapply any static IP or DNS values you saved earlier. Make sure to check Device Manager if an adapter failed to reinstall. Update or reinstall the driver there. If you still have issues, run Settings right arrow troubleshoot right arrow other troubleshooters right arrow network adapter to get guided fixes. This extra diagnostic step often reveals driver conflicts or missing services that prevent connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.